Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring an important topic for anyone looking to work in Europe: understanding the Luxembourg work permit in 2024. Whether you're a skilled professional or a business owner, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Luxembourg is renowned for its strong economy, high quality of life, and strategic location in Europe. It's a hub for finance, technology, and various other industries, making it an attractive destination for professionals worldwide. First, let's talk about eligibility. If you're a non-EU EEA national, you'll need a work permit to work in Luxembourg. EU EEA nationals can work without one. The application process involves several steps. You'll need a job contract from a Luxembourg employer, a work permit application, and a residence permit. Let's break it down. Your journey begins with securing a job offer from a Luxembourg employer. The employer must first attempt to find a suitable local candidate before offering the job to a foreign national. Next, you'll need to submit your work permit application. This includes providing your job contract, proof of qualifications, and sometimes a background check. Once your work permit is approved, you must apply for a residence permit. This allows you to live in Luxembourg while you work. There are different types of work permits based on the nature of your employment. These include short-term permits for temporary jobs, long-term permits for permanent positions, and permits for self-employed individuals. Employers in Luxembourg play a significant role in this process. They need to prove that no suitable local candidate is available for the position. Work permits come with specific conditions, such as the type of job, the employer you can work for, and the duration of your stay. It's important to adhere to these conditions to avoid penalties. Work permits in Luxembourg are generally renewable. If your employment continues, you'll need to stay on top of renewal deadlines to maintain your legal work status. In 2024, Luxembourg has made several updates to streamline the work permit process. Digital applications and faster processing times are now the norm, making it easier for professionals to start working sooner. Navigating the Luxembourg work permit process can be complex, but with the right information, you can make it a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more content.